Ever felt that knot in your stomach when performance review season rolls around? Dread the awkward conversations, or wonder if your feedback actually makes a difference? What if I told you performance reviews aren't just HR paperwork, but your single most powerful tool for igniting employee growth, boosting team morale, and skyrocketing your own leadership impact? Welcome to Business Training Media's Leadership and Management Development Series. In today's video, we're diving deep into performance reviews, a manager's complete guide. We're unlocking the secrets to transforming these essential conversations from dreaded duties into dynamic opportunities. And trust me, you'll want to watch to the very end because I'll reveal how you can access free courses and powerful resources to continue building your management mastery. Let's face it, many managers view performance reviews as a box-ticking exercise. But that mindset is leaving massive potential on the table. The true purpose of a performance review extends far beyond just evaluating past performance. Think of it as a strategic touchpoint, a catalyst for real change. It's your chance to provide crystal clear direction, ensuring everyone is aligned with team and organizational goals. More than that, it's about recognizing successes, fostering continuous learning, and unlocking the full potential within each team member. When done right, reviews aren't just about what happened, but about what's possible. They build trust, reduce turnover, and ultimately, elevate your entire team's productivity and engagement. It's about building a high-performing, motivated workforce, and guess what? That reflects directly on you as a leader. Now the secret sauce to an impactful review isn't just showing up, it's about preparation. This isn't a casual chat, it's a meticulously crafted conversation. First, you need to become a data detective. Gather all your intel, review past performance goals, reread your one-on-one notes from throughout the year, and collect objective data like project outcomes, key performance indicators, and any relevant peer or customer feedback. This mountain of information isn't just for validation. It helps you spot trends, celebrate consistent wins, and pinpoint areas truly ripe for development. Next, you'll want to meticulously structure the review. This involves drafting your feedback. And here's a pro tip: focus on specific, observable behaviors and their tangible impact. Don't just say you're a great communicator. Instead, try, your proactive daily stand-ups on the Phoenix Project significantly improved cross-functional collaboration, leading to a 15% reduction in miscommunications. Use the STAR method, describe the situation, the task, the action your employee took, and the result. This makes your feedback concrete and actionable. And crucially, anticipate. Think about how your employee might react to certain feedback and prepare a constructive, supportive response. Remember, no surprises in a performance review. Any significant issues should have already been addressed in real time. With preparation locked in, it's time for the main event, the conversation itself. This isn't a lecture, it's a dialogue. Begin by setting a positive, collaborative tone. Always start by highlighting strengths and accomplishments, giving specific examples. This establishes trust and opens the door for more challenging discussions. Now for discussing areas of growth, frame them as opportunities for development, not criticisms. This subtle shift in language makes all the difference. Again, provide concrete examples of behaviors, focusing on what can be changed, not inherent traits. The power here lies in asking open-ended questions. Instead of telling, ask, what do you think went well on Project Alpha, and what might we do differently next time? This invites self-reflection and ownership. And remember, active listening is paramount. Truly hear their perspective, their aspirations, and any concerns they might have. This two-way street fosters trust and ensures the review feels fair and empowering. A performance review isn't a finish line, it's a launchpad. The crucial next step is forward-looking goal setting. This should always be a collaborative process. Work together with your employee to define SMART goals, that's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, aligning their individual growth with the broader team and organizational objectives. Discuss their development plan. What specific training, resources, or support will they need to reach those goals? This demonstrates your commitment to their success. But the work doesn't stop there. The review is just one snapshot in time. True development happens through ongoing feedback and consistent check-ins. Integrate regular one-on-ones where you can monitor progress, provide continuous, real-time feedback, and offer coaching as needed. Celebrate small wins along the way. Acknowledging progress keeps motivation high and reinforces positive behaviors throughout the year. Your continuous support transforms annual reviews into an organic, growth-oriented journey. Even seasoned managers can stumble, so let's quickly address some common pitfalls to avoid. Don't fall victim to recency bias, only remembering the last few weeks of performance. When giving performance feedback, always refer back to your year-round notes. This helps you avoid vague statements like you need to improve, which don't offer real guidance. Instead, deliver clear, actionable feedback. For example, tell them, your presentation last Tuesday lacked a clear call to action, which led to confusion. This specific detail helps them understand exactly what to change. Never make the review a monologue, it's a dialogue. And absolutely, avoid surprises. Any performance issue should have been discussed much earlier, not sprung in an annual review. Finally, the biggest mistake, lack of follow-up. If you set goals but never revisit them, the entire process loses its power. So there you have it. Performance reviews truly redefined. They're no longer just another task on your to-do list. Instead, they become a strategic lever for achieving leadership excellence and sparking genuine team transformation. Are you ready to supercharge your performance reviews and genuinely elevate your leadership skills? We've gathered top-tier courses, in-depth management guides, and specialized training programs designed to help you tackle these and many other critical leadership challenges. To explore a comprehensive range of professional development opportunities, including advanced management techniques, effective communication strategies, and cutting-edge certification programs, simply click the links in the description below this video. Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your commitment to professional excellence. Now, if you're ready to dive even deeper and truly master your management skills, consider joining our exclusive YouTube community. As a member, you'll unlock access to longer in-depth videos not available anywhere else, plus downloadable checklists and guides that you can use immediately to make a real impact. It's the ultimate resource for taking your leadership to the next level. To get started, simply click the join button below this video, or check out the links in our description to learn more about becoming a part of our growing community. Please remember to subscribe to Business Training Media for more invaluable insights. Give this video a like if you found it helpful, and share it with other managers who want to make a real impact. For even more free online courses, insightful articles, and powerful skill-building resources, be sure to visit us online at businesstrainingmedia.com. We wish you the very best of luck on your leadership journey.